Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Miko Dominguez, first year of BS Entrepreneurship program of Bicol University. Before we start, I would like to introduce my classmates who are part of this vlog, named Lawrence Esperon, Razal Julata, Fatima Francisco, and Cyrus Exia. We would like to discuss a very fascinating topic, the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship offered by Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management. As we are someone who is passionate in entrepreneurship, we would like to share everything we have learned in this program. Tara!
Bicol University is a state university in the Philippines Bicol area. It was founded in 1969 and grown to become one of the country's top colleges.
So hi guys, I'm back. So what is this BEMS Entrepreneurship? Business Entrepreneurship is a 4-year undergraduate degree that prepares students to develop and manage their own affairs. This curriculum is designed to give students a solid foundation in business ideas, entrepreneurship concepts, and practical skills that they can utilize in the real world. The curriculum includes courses like marketing, finance, management, accounting, and business skills.
Bicol University offers a wide range of undergraduate and graduate programs, including business, engineering, education, and agriculture. There is also a considerable emphasis on research and development at the university, with various research centers and institutes on campus.
I chose to attend Bicol University because of its reputation for academic excellence. The professors here are top-notch and they really care about their students. The university also provides a lot of opportunities and hands-on learning and research, which is something I'm really interested in.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty.
Hi, I'm Sam Exia. As a third-year BS Entrepreneurship regular student, I had the opportunity to take classes in business strategy, marketing, accounting, and finance. I must admit that several of these classes were pretty difficult, but they taught me vital skills that I can acquire or apply in the future endeavors. One of my favorite experiences as a BS Entrepreneurship student is when I had a chance to meet successful entrepreneurs or past professors who came to speak to our class. Hearing their stories and insight was truly inspiring and motivated me to pursue my entrepreneurial endeavors. They shared a lot of experiences with failure and perseverance, which remind me that success is not always easy.
As a future entrepreneur, why setting goal is important?
Hi guys, I'm with Lawrence Esperon and he will going to discuss why setting goals in BS Entrepreneurship is important.
Of course, setting goals is only half the battle. It's equally important to track your progress and adjust your strategies needed. That's why I always make sure to review my goals regularly and make any necessary changes.
Ultimately, setting goals is all about taking control of your future. Whether you're a student or an entrepreneur, the process is the same. Identify what you want to achieve, create a plan to get there, and make any adjustment along the way.
That's all guys, thanks for tuning in and hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to leave a comment and to subscribe. Thank you.